Today we're going to learn about the points of identification for the slide of parotid gland. So if you got that in your exam, you can write this point of identification, right? The first thing is that the parotid gland will be fully loaded with the serous acini. Rarely you may find mucus acini, but usually we say there's no mucus acini, and there will be no serous dim balloons, and there will be striated ducts, right? So first you have to know about the mucus acini, serous acini, and striated duct. Then we will go to the slide picture, right? So this is a picture, and if you see a light color acini, these will be mucus acini. If you see a dark pink or bluish color acini, these will be the serous acini, right? And if you see a mucus acini and having a cap of serous acini, these are known as the serous dim balloons, right? So now you have the concept that the lightish color acini are the mucus acini, and the darker color or pinkish or bluish tint will be the serous acini. And if you find out a mucus acini but it is capped by a serous acini, then it is known as serous dim balloon, right? And what about the striated ducts? So these are the ducts having a columnar epithelium, right? And they will have a basal striation, right? That's why they are named striated ducts. So basically these are the columnar cells, right? So now move towards the slide. So this is a slide of the parotid gland. So here, this is a striated duct. These are the serous acini, right? Rarely you are seeing any lightish color acini, so no mucus acini, no serous dim balloons, right? If you get an idea about the serous dim balloon and mucus acini, do watch my video on the mandibular gland. Here it is mentioned, and you will see that how mucus acini and serous dim balloon look like, right? So these are the serous acini, right? You may get a slide having such type of structure. So these are the serous acini. This is striated ducts. And what are these white spots? So these are the fat droplets after putting it under a microscope. So these fat droplets are removed and they look like a whitish spot, right? Another picture, the darker serous acini, right? These are the striated ducts. We found interlobular ducts, right? And these are the fat droplets. And the last picture is here. So these, it is like it maybe 10x or 4x picture. So these darker staining structures, the serous acini, the striated ducts, right? These are not mucus acini. Mucus acini will have a pyramidal like structures and as like the serous acini, but they will be lightly stained. So these are the ducts, so do not confuse it with the mucus acini. These are the ducts and these are the serous acini. A lot of serous acini, no mucus acini, and no serous dim balloon. So that's it for the parotid gland. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more.